Have you ever considered how your mental wellness affects your day-to-day life? It's a crucial aspect of our overall well-being, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of life. Just as we take time to nurture our physical bodies, it's vital to care for our minds. Our mental health influences our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It affects how we handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. One effective way to foster mental wellness is through the practice of meditation. Meditation might seem intimidating to some, but in reality it's quite simple. Picture it as a mental exercise that helps us to hone our focus, reduce stress, and increase feelings of calmness and clarity. It's like a gym workout, but for your mind. Now let's dispel some common myths about meditation. You might have heard that it requires hours of silence or complete stillness. This is not true. Meditation is not about achieving a state of emptiness, but rather about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. You don't need to sit in a lotus position, nor do you need to retreat to a quiet place. You can meditate while walking, eating, or even while doing your chores. Remember, meditation is not a one-size-fits-all practice. It's adaptable and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and personal preferences. Now that we understand what meditation is, we can begin to explore how to do it. Starting a meditation practice might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Let's break it down into manageable steps to help you get started. Firstly, find a quiet place where you can meditate without being disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a park. The key is to find a place where you feel comfortable and at ease. Next, choose a comfortable posture. You may sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or on a chair, as long as your back is straight. You may also lie down if that's more comfortable for you. The idea is to find a position where you can remain still and relaxed for a while. Now close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. You don't need to change anything about your breathing, simply observe it as it is. You'll notice that your mind starts to wander, and that's completely normal. Our minds are constantly thinking, planning, worrying. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. It's not about stopping your thoughts, but about noticing when your mind has wandered and bringing it back again and again. Start with short sessions. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Over time, as you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase your meditation time. Don't rush it. The goal is not to meditate for hours on end, but to make meditation a regular part of your daily routine. As you progress, you might experience moments of calm, relaxation, and clarity. But remember, the purpose of meditation is not to achieve a specific state, but to build awareness and understanding of your thoughts and feelings. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. It takes time to cultivate a mindful mind, but the rewards in terms of mental wellness are worth it. Remember, the goal of meditation is not to stop thinking, but to observe your thoughts without judgment. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique, it's a powerful tool for improving mental health. Delving into the world of meditation can seem daunting at first, yet the rewards it holds are profound. One of the greatest gifts meditation offers is its capacity to reduce stress. In our fast-paced, pressure-filled lives, stress can take a heavy toll, leading to a myriad of health issues. Meditation, with its calming influence, can counteract these effects, offering a sanctuary of peace amidst chaos. Not only does meditation alleviate stress, but it also helps sharpen your concentration. Whether it's the relentless ping of notifications or the constant stream of thoughts, distractions are everywhere. By training your mind to focus during meditation, you're also training it to concentrate better in your daily life. Moreover, meditation can be a catalyst for emotional health. It encourages a positive outlook and can even help manage symptoms of certain mental health conditions. By fostering a strong connection with your inner self, you're more likely to cultivate a balanced emotional state. And let's not forget the gift of self-awareness. Through meditation, you become an observer of your own thoughts and emotions, developing a deeper understanding of your mind. This self-awareness is critical in recognizing unhealthy patterns and making positive changes. So why not give meditation a try? It could be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier mind.